I have here a poison. And you please testify.
Tenju urungit Muslim ya pastor. Phadi dakabi hakmat jong u bat hakmat ki pad rungit ki badon hakani kecaka. Ban pen shisha baka gospel jong Marqus kalong ka bakhat riu kadakot ka bakhat para la kalong ka shisha ne em.
I want to ask if you have the complete faith in Jesus Christ. And if yes, then I have one question here. According to Mark in the Bible, chapter 16 and verse 18, if they drink any deadly things, it will not hurt them. That is the same verse. And I have here a poison. And you please testify for the audience that you have the true faith in Jesus.
Thank you, sir, for your question.
My brother has given me a deadly poison and he wants me to drink it. He wants me to make a show and tell you that it is true what is written in Mark 16, that if we drink something that is poisoned, we will not die.
Tongnya pet hangni ka ai ka baca hadin badia ka ai ka jubab ka bau pastor ka jubab ka ba penlengo ya uni unong keli cingkeli bat ekipat rungit ki badan hakani ka caka.
My wife told me Thursday night, Stanley, be careful, someone will try to poison you. Now, am I going to drink this and you will see me fall down and die? Now, listen to this. I'm shaking a little bit. Excuse me. But listen.
Kajubab u pastor kalong mikeli bangade bandi ya kena gabi ladang ngek shisha yau jisu. Hood kajubab chunga kalong ngek hau jisu shispa na ka shispa kumbalat ho haga gospel. Henry hatu metip bakala chia kumcu yau jisu haga jing penshoy tau soitan haga rikla haga balak tencu yau bo un peno ila di na cerong kadong ka temple ban pen I ka bor ka kamba bo long shisha ukun ble kumcu ru kala jia yau jisu hakmat u herod shemla ang yala ka shinto shemla pen I shemla pen pau ka kamba shemla pen pau ka bor ka jong ble kula jubab shu ru da ka baong bahaba mikli yang ay ka ni ka cingkli ngayo I yau soitan bad uboman hami bad haga di ka cingkli ka bangipo bad kumta dan lelei ru ngan pendam bad pen ko ngu ila di ha uboman bad bangan pen I ka bor ka kamba ka jong ble hami.
You asked me if I believe in Jesus, and I want to tell you, I believe in Jesus as it is written in the Gospels. Do you know? One day Satan himself approached Jesus, and the devil met Jesus in the wilderness and said, throw yourself up from a high wall and make a show and try to show the people that you are the Son of God. When Jesus was standing in front of King Herod, even King Herod said to Jesus, now do some miracles for us so we can have a little fun. I'm just going to tell you that in front of Herod, Jesus did not open his mouth according to the scripture, and Jesus did not make a show of the miracles. And when you gave me this question today, I recognize the devil in you, and I'm not going to obey the devil. I'm not going to make a show.
Kajubab ka jong pastor kalapen kendit kalapen lengo pat kalapen syayongan ya uni urungit Muslim wabu ya kani ka cingkeli pat kumju ru iki pait rungit ki badon hagani ka caka ka jinghi kai ka bakrau ka bangiyo lengba chong gani ka video kalong ba ublei shimla khat yangi pangin pinsisha ya kata ka cingit ka bangidon lane pendan kam ya kata ka cingit ka bangidon takabambo ya ki e baro bat ya ka jing im jungi haga jingma ka wepat kalong ba habang pule ka tin ka jong blai idiban pule ya ka takba snuthu shai ya ka jingmut ba shisha jongka klem da snuthu shilang ya ka e ka badon ha ka tin ka jong blai ka wepat ka benta kalong ba ka jinget ka bangidon kam de tang syapang kabangin pendon kam ya ka bangan yo la ne bangan yo ya ki kamba ki jong ublei ka jing im jongi henry kani ka jinget ka jongi ka di ban im ka di ban ki ha ka jing im ka baman la ka sngi jongi bat ka di ban im ban ki ru ha ki kam bat ki jinglong jing im jongi baro kublei shibun ublei unkerku